Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, we use in the kitchen when we're chopping an onion. Correct. Number two, let's all. That's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. You use a cutting board every day. You use a cutting board every day. Cutting board. The cutting board is made of wood. It is under the onion. You use a cutting board every day. Now change it to a question. Do you use a cutting board every day? Now change the question to yesterday. Did you use a cutting board yesterday? Now let's make a flashcard for cutting board and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write cutting board up here in the top left corner. 2 words. Down here, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. Over here, the number 12 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Cutting board. Cutting board. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob stands up every day. Bob stands up every day. Bob stands up every day. He stands up. He moves his upper body away from the earth and towards the sky. Bob stands up every day. Change it to now. What is he doing now? He is standing up now. Change it to tomorrow. What will he do? He will stand up tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard for to stand up. Please make a flashcard like this. Write to stand up here in the top left corner. PV1 down here. This means phrasal verb, level 1. Over here, the number 63 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Stand up. Stand up. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned in the kitchen we use a cutting board. Correct. Number 2, let's all stand up. That's right. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, can you say it? Action. Yeah, that's similar to movement. Number 2 is a body part right here. My finger. Nail. Very good. And the last one? To act. For example, in a movie or on a TV show. Today is Tuesday, October 14th. Show number 239. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say stand up in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.